Hi everyone, in front of me I've got TECNO Spark 30C, and let me share with you how to change the system language on this device. So let's begin with opening the settings, and here we have to scroll down to the very bottom to find the system. So let's tap. Then let's tap on languages and input and tap on languages at the top. Now we have to tap on other languages, and as you can see, this is the list of all available languages from which we can choose. So simply find yours and then tap on it. Tap on apply language. And as you can see, after getting back, the whole system will be displayed in the chosen language. If you've got more than one language added here, so in my case it's Greek and English, you can quickly reorder them to change the system language. So let's tap on it and hold it and then drag it to the first position. And as you can see, right now we've got English applied. If you would like to, you can also remove the languages from this list. 3 dots icon in the right upper corner and tap on remove. Mark the language and tap on remove. Tap on remove. And as you can see, we've got only one language applied. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.